Hey guys, welcome back to Parity Breaker, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the skew puzzle. So first you need to know is the movement of this puzzle, okay? It's not like the other puzzles that I've shown in my old videos where it is just normal this way, like that. It's like horizontal or vertical, but this actually, the movement of this puzzle is actually diagonal. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so it's more like you're going to be rotating one full piece. So this is going to be the R, that is the right. Okay, so this is going to be right, and this I'm going to be calling it the left, and this is going to be the right bottom, the left bottom. Okay, this is going to be the right back bottom, and this is going to be the left back bottom. Okay, these are the only 4 things that you need to know. Okay, so yeah, first of all, there's only one algorithm in this skew in this puzzle. So yeah, it is very easy. Okay, it's more like the right down, the left down, and the right up, and the left up. Okay, so those who want it in an algorithm form, it is more like R prime, L, R, L prime. Okay, that's it. That's all the algorithm that you need to know in this. And the other things that you need to know in this when you're solving this is the colors. Okay, so the colors which are opposite to each other. So the yellow opposite is the white color, the opposite of blue is the green, the opposite of red is the orange. Okay, so these are the colors. Okay, let me repeat it once again. Yellow opposite is white, blue opposite is green, orange opposite is red. Okay, so these are the colors that you need to know which are opposite to each other. And okay, so let me just scramble this and come back to you. So yeah, I've scrambled this and come back. I have come back now. So first of all, what you need to do is you're going to keep your white center. Okay, so this is the center and these are the corners. Okay, so the center you're going to keep it on top, and then we're going to start orientating it. So let me search a corner piece which is over here on the top layer where it is having a white. As I can see, there is no corner which actually has a white face. Okay, so I'll just bring one of them up. Okay, I'll just bring one of them up randomly, any of them. Okay, your choice, whichever you want. Okay, if you already have on the top, then you don't have to worry, but I did not have one on the top, so I just brought one up over here. So there are 2 cases that you can get. Okay, one is where when you're facing this cube in front of you, the right corner, you should keep your white piece corner on the right, and then later when you see it, this is one case where it is not facing you. Okay, just 3 cases. One is where it is facing you, one which is not facing you, it is facing to the side, and one more where it is actually facing the top. Okay, this is one case, and this is the other case where it is facing you. The third case is where it is correctly facing the top and it is aligning with the white center. First, let me show you how to solve this case. Okay, so now we're not going to be showing you, we're not going to be using the algorithm. Okay, here it is only more of a trial error, turning and then doing it. Okay, so if when it is facing you, what you're going to do is, if it's facing you, then you're going to push this piece back. Okay, so you're going to bring this corner piece over here. So when you're going to turn it, okay, I'm going to turn it, and this piece is going to come over here. Okay, I've turned it and it has come over here. So now when you bring this back up, when you're going to bring it back up, it should align properly with the white. So when it is facing you, you're going to face it back. Okay, so that this piece is going to turn back. Okay, so then later after that, and then just bring it back up, and then it's going to be aligned. So what you've basically done is that you're going to push it back, turn it. Okay, after turning it, and then you bring it back, that time it's going to be aligned. So it's more than just turning it back, pushing it back, turning it and bring it back. So this is more like a trial error basis. You need to practice this part so that you will not forget where to turn it and when. Okay, so this is more on a trial error basis. Now the second case. For the second case, what you're going to do is, now that I have inserted one of the pieces, okay, now I'm going to find a piece where it is where it has a red and white, a piece which has red and white. Okay, so let me see which piece has it, and we already have a piece which is here on the top. So yeah, So what I have, if it was in the bottom or somewhere, that time I had just push it up back over here so that it will be next to it. So it is not oriented properly. We are going to orient it properly now. And this is the second case. Now I'm going to show you how to solve this second case. Okay, so what you're going to do is, in the first case what we did is that we pushed it back, turned it, and we brought it back. Okay, but in this it's going to be the opposite. What you're going to do is you're going to push it forward so that it's facing you. Okay, so what you've done is you've brought this corner piece over here, and then you just turned it. Okay, just turned it once again, and then you bring this back up. But then later the piece, one more piece where it had white, red and green, okay, what we're gonna do, it has gone back away. So what it is gonna do is just gonna bring it back up. Okay, don't forget to bring it back up, because if you're not gonna bring it back up, this is not going to be solved. Okay, so now we've finished 2, and yeah, those are the 2 cases, and same thing we're gonna do it. Okay, fine, let me see. Okay, white and blue, I should find a piece which is white and blue, which is over here. Bring it back up. I have got case number 2. Push it back, push it forward, then turn it. Don't forget to bring this back up. You bring it back up, and then later you turn, and then later find a piece. Yeah, it's over here. Bring it up, and yeah, this has already been solved. So this is the first layer. You have finished your first part of your puzzle. So out of 3 parts, you finished 1 part now. So now what you're going to do is, you're going to, okay, now the white is facing on the top. Now you're going to put this white face in the bottom. Okay, so as I showed you in the starting, white opposite, which color is it? Yellow. So it means the yellow pieces, all the yellow corner pieces are going to be facing on the top. Okay, so yeah, now let's do the, so this is one of the cases. This is case number 1 which you will get, or the case number 2. In this case number 2, how do you know if it is case number 1 or case number 2? So this is case number 2. So case number 2, what it is that from none of the yellow corner pieces are actually facing the top. All of them are just facing other directions but the top. Okay, so in the case number 1, okay, in the case number 1, the 2 corner pieces are facing the top. Okay, so this is the case number 1 which you'll get. So the case number 1, okay, after you solve the case number 1, you're going to go to the case number 2. From the case number 2, you will be able to solve, you're going to be able to make all the yellow pieces face the top. Okay, so yeah, so first, how do we make this case number 1 to case number 2? It's very simple. Okay, we're going to be using the algorithm now. Okay, so like we have to first turn and just turn randomly and just keep on searching. Okay, so you have to get a case where like this. Okay, so where the left corner piece, okay, left top corner piece is going to be facing the yellow part is going to be facing the top, and then the right top corner piece where yellow part is going to be facing you. Okay, so when it is like this, that is when you're going to be doing the algorithm now. Okay, so it's nothing but down, down, up, up. Simple. Okay, so now you have got a case where none of the yellow pieces are facing the top. Okay, so that means now you'll be able to orient them properly in a manner where all of the yellow pieces are going to be facing the top. Okay, so very easy this is going to be. So now what you're going to do is you have to just randomly turn it and just see where it is, and you have to find a case where these two, the left top corner and the right top corner piece, both yellow faces are facing you. Okay, like this. So now what you're going to do is you're going to turn these 2 pieces to the right side. Okay, so what you've done is you've put this this side to the right side, and now you're going to do the down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Now what has happened over here is all the yellow pieces are facing the top. So now you have finished orienting your corners. Now what are you going to do is, now you're going to bring this yellow center on the top. Okay, so now just turn and turn and turn. Sometimes sometimes the yellow, it's already been maybe your yellow piece is already on the top. That means you can skip this step. But if in case it's not, so now what we're gonna do is, now the yellow, just search the yellow face where it is turning. Okay, now make it face, make this yellow center face you. Afterwards, what you're gonna do is, instead of facing the instead of making it face you and then you do the algorithm, no, don't do that. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're going to push it back. Okay, so this is gonna go one full turn, and now this yellow piece is over here, and now you're gonna do down, down, up, up. Okay, so down, down, up, up. Okay, so wait, before you could turn to any other shape, just face the yellow piece once again, and now you do down, down, up, up, and now your top layer is solved. So out of three steps, you have finished 2, and now we are going to go to the last and final step, that is the orientation of these centers. Okay, so there is one case where you can get is where all of these are not, all of them are randomly in some places where like these two are intersected, or these two are intersected. Okay, so like that type of a case you might get, or this is case number 1, or you might have got the case number 2 where all the centers like these two are like these two are exchanged and these two are exchanged, so like the opposite colors have been exchanged. Or you might have got a case where one of them is solved and other 3 are not solved. Okay, so 3 centers are not solved. Okay, so don't bother about what the other 2 sides. I'm only talking about the 4 1 2 3 4 sides. Okay, apart from the yellow and white. Okay, so these 4, so you might have got a case where the one side is solved. Okay, so I'm going to show you each and every cases how to solve them. Okay, now the first case, how do you solve this case? This also we're going to be using the algorithm. Okay, very easy, simple one. Okay, so now what you can do is you don't have to hold any specific place properly. Okay, like except apart from these 2, you don't have, it's like you can hold it however you want, but these yellow and white should be facing left and right apart from you apart. So these unsolved ones are like when you turn like this, only the unsolved one should be facing you. Okay, so any color can be facing you now, from these 4 colors any color can be facing you. And now you do the down, down, up, up. Okay, down, down, up, up. Once you have done it, okay, go to the back. Okay, bring this back face front. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it. Okay, now this face has come over here. Okay, now down, down, up, up. Okay, so now what has happened is that now one of these faces have been solved. Okay, just turn around and then just check. Okay, mine orange has been solved. And now what you're gonna do is then later you're going to be this is the first case completely how to solve it I'm showing you. Okay, so now you keep the solved face on the bottom. Okay, don't forget to keep this on the right, left and right. So now you have the unsolved ones over here, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so which one are you going to be facing? You're going to be facing the side which has the opposite colors. Okay, so like I said, the green and blue, these 2 are opposite colors. Okay, the red and green, they're not opposite colors, they actually are next to each other. So you have to face the piece where the center is with is with the opposite color. Okay, you might have got it as the orange and red also, green and blue, or orange and red. These 2, if when it is like that, that is when you are going to be facing it. Keep the solved one on the bottom, keep this opposite color center corners, and then later now you're going to do the down, down, up, up. Okay, down, down, up, up. Face the bring this opposite side over here, then down, down, up, up, and then your whole thing will be solved. How do you solve this second case? It's gonna be the similar way, same way how you did the first case. Okay, second case is also almost the same way. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. I just randomly did it from any of these colors apart from these 2. These 2 always should be facing the right and left. Okay, and then later now I have got one of these pieces solved. Just face it, and then later the opposite colors I told, right, in the first case where the opposite colors you have to make it. And in the first case I got it as blue and green. Now I have got it as orange and red. Okay, now that your solved one is on the bottom, yellow and white are on the right and left, and then now this one is opposite corner centers, opposite color corner and center are facing you. Now you're going to do down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Bring the the back face in front of you, and then you do down, down, up, up, and it will be solved. Or you might have got the case number 3. The case number 3 is where one of them is solved and 3 are unsolved. Okay, like three faces are solved and 3 are unsolved. Okay, so same way you're going to keep the one which is solved on the bottom. The red and yellow and white are going to be in the right and left, and then you're going to be facing the corner centerpiece, which is opposite colors, and then you're going to do down, down, up, up, and make the back side face you, and then down, down, up, up, and it is solved. I have shown you each and every case that you can get. Okay, so that is all. It is very easy. You can even check out my playlist on how to solve different puzzles also, and I'll be leaving that in the description box. I'll even leave the algorithm also in the description box. Please read the description if you want to know some more details about it. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. I hope you were able to understand and learn from my video. Thank you. Bye.